Welcome to Law Offices of Lal Varghese. We are located in Dallas, Texas, United States of America. We are practicing immigration law for more than 30 years. We can be contacted at our WhatsApp number +1 972 556 1109. We can also be contacted at our email address attyllal@aol.com. Please remember that we are 12 hours behind Indian time, and the best time to contact us by phone is between 8 p.m. and 4 a.m. Indian time. If you are unable to contact us during this time frame, please send us an email and we will be happy to reply to you within 24 hours because of the time difference of 12 hours. Also remember, if you are preferred to send us a WhatsApp message, send us only one message with all your questions and concerns. We will be happy to reply to you within 24 hours. It's because we receive at least an average of about 25 WhatsApp messages, about 25 emails, and about 25 calls per day from all around the world. We are doing this public service to help the people educate in US immigration laws so that you will not fall into the traps of unscrupulous elements like agents and people who want to commit fraud upon you. US immigration laws are very strict. You cannot bribe anyone, or you cannot pay money to anyone to get a visa or admission to the United States. You have to follow the law, you have to follow the procedure, and you have to wait in line for your turn. Period. There is no exception for that. If anyone tells you that there is a way to get an interview, there is a way to get your case processed faster with the US Immigration or National Visa Center or with the consulate, please do not believe them. They are trying to cheat you and get money from you. Recently, we have been contacted by someone in India informing us that they have received an email from an agency in Mumbai telling them that if they are ready to pay a super fee, they can get an interview scheduled in Mumbai faster than anyone else. Please do not believe this kind of emails or WhatsApp messages. There is no way any travel agency or any agency in India can schedule your case faster than any other people. Mumbai Consulate only schedules the cases on chronological basis, which they cancel the previous interviews scheduled in March, April, and May of 2020. Same way, National Visa Center also schedules the cases on a chronological basis based on the preference category. The first preference is given to immediate relatives of US citizens, spouses, minor children, and parents. Second priority is given to spouses and minor children of green card holders. Third priority is given to unmarried children over 21 years of US citizens. Fourth priority is given to unmarried children over 21 of green card holders. And fifth priority is given to married children of US citizens. And sixth priority is given to brothers and sisters of US citizens. And the last priority is given to employment-based immigrant visa categories EB1, EB2, EB3, EB4, and EB5. They will schedule you, both the consulate and the National Visa Center, only on a chronological basis. In this episode, I'm going to tell you a good news that the consulates in India are opening slots for scheduling non-immigrant visas for the months of January, February, March, April, etc. We have been contacted by a couple of our clients and notified us that they have got interview in February and March 2022. So if you are looking for a non-immigrant visa like a visitor visa, H-1B visa or L-1 visa, or H-1B visa or an R-1 visa or any other type of non-immigrant visas, OP, those kind of visas, this is the time for you to log into your profile, look for slots available in any consulates. You can schedule interview at any consulates, irrespective of the place where you live. If you are arranged a travel agency to create a profile for you and book an interview for you, probably they may not be able to look slots for you every day because they may have too many clients like you. In that case, we request you to ask the travel agency to provide you with the username and password so that you can log into your account and look for slots available every day and schedule the interview. Remember, you need to schedule an appointment for fingerprint before you schedule the interview at the consulate. Also, for immigrant visa holders, you need to obtain approved medical report from the approved medical facility also. Under a new rule by the CDC in America, both the immigrant visa holders and the non-immigrant visa holders must obtain proof of COVID vaccines, both doses. So it is very important that if you are a non-immigrant visa applicant or an immigrant visa applicant, you should have taken both doses of COVID vaccine and you need to take the proof of that vaccine to the medical facility when you go for medical report. Non-immigrant visa holders do not require a medical report, but they need a COVID vaccine report from the approved medical facility. So, the consulates are opening schedules for next year, February, March. We believe that the January is already gone. Probably the February is also gone. So you may need to look for slots available in March or April, May of next year so that you can schedule an appointment with the consulate of your choice. So we will request you to log into your appointment profile and look for slots available. Only very few slots are open every day by each consulate. So the first it's served on first come first basis. So you need to look into log into your profile and look for appointments every day. Regarding immigrant visa appointments, you cannot log into your profile and schedule an appointment at the Mumbai consulate unless the Mumbai consulate send you an email asking you to schedule an interview. Same way with the National Visa Center also. If your case is documentally qualified and pending at National Visa Center, you may not even create a profile because when you create a profile, it is asking whether an interview has been scheduled by the National Visa Center. You have to answer yes or no. Without an interview scheduled by the National Visa Center, you cannot answer yes and proceed further because you are submitting false information with the US authorities. So if your case is documentally qualified and pending at National Visa Center, wait patiently for the NVC to schedule the appointment at Mumbai Consulate. People ask us, when can I expect my interview to be scheduled? My case is documentally qualified since March 20 and afterwards. Remember, your case is in line. National Visa Center did not schedule any cases after March 2020 because Mumbai Consulate has stopped the normal visa interview after March 2020. Mumbai Consulate has slowly opened slots for those cases already scheduled by National Visa Center but cancelled by the Mumbai Consulate. So they are sending emails to those people to reschedule their interview. They have to log into their profile and schedule, look for slots available and schedule for appointment at Mumbai Consulate. If they have obtained a medical report, which is more than a year ago, they need to obtain new medical report. If they have already appeared for the fingerprint, we do not think they need to appear for fingerprint again. If they did not appear for the fingerprint before, they need to schedule an appointment for fingerprint also. Non-immigrant visa holders do not need a medical report from an approved medical facility, but according to the new rules by the CDC, effective October 1st, 2021, all visa applicants, including immigrant visa applicants and non-immigrant applicants, must have proof of both doses of COVID vaccine taken. So immigrant visa holders, when you appear for the medical report, in examination and obtain the medical report, you need to take with you the proof of COVID vaccination, both doses. Non-immigrant visa holders also must have proof of vaccination for both doses, because they will be advised to contact the approved medical facility and get the medical report as evidence that they have taken the both vaccines. Third country travel is still available, but since now beginning of November, there is no need for travel to third countries. If you have taken both doses of vaccine, you can travel directly to United States. And thank you for watching this episode, and